You'll be back. Soon you'll see. You remember you belong to me.
You're having too much fun being creepy. Oh. It looks like it's...
Alright, I'll be fun laid
like
back Djinn. Hey guys, what's up? Make sure to like and subscribe. You ain't never had a friend, never had a friend. You ain't never
had a friend.
Had a... We should wear costumes.
Ooh, I want to be Captain America.
Well, how about Star Wars instead?
This costume is muffling my voice.
Who are you? Batman.
I was thinking Iron Man. Welcome to Brews Before Browse.
Chug it!
I almost spewed beer everywhere. We are back at it with Supernatural 2.0. We've got the Djinn. So this is a little bittersweet coming out now because Supernatural is ending after 15 years. I feel like I grew up with this show. Do you know I started watching this show when I was 15?
Oh my god. 15?
I'm 32 in 4 days. I've been working the conventions for 5 years now, and I have a community of people that I've made through this show. I've been doing makeup at the Creation Entertainment conventions for about 1.5 years. Doing mostly Rowena looks, but I've never been able to do something extensive as this. Check out our description box below for a link to the conventions along with my makeup classes. Be sure to check out in the description our other Supernatural video where we did Rowena on this face. So now we've got a Supernatural look on either one of us. Let us know in the comments if you want to see more Supernatural tutorials or fandoms in general that you want to see us cover, you want to see looks from. We have a lot of ideas, but we need to narrow those down, so if you could help us out, leave a comment below. Okay.
So yeah, Biden just won, like, an hour ago.
An hour ago, we've been celebrating and not filming.
So now you know our film schedule.
We got some new stuff up in here.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers. It smells like a warehouse.
Alright, let's see how this goes. We're all bald, everyone.
Woohoo!
Oh my god, this is funny.
This is hilarious. So we got some Pros-Aide from Nigel's. Right where I want this to stick.
Ears are flapping in the wind. I'm like a dog with his head out the window.
If you ever thought about going bald, now you know if it's an option or not.
Yeah.
I'm taking the Pros-Aide and I'm putting it on both the skin and the bald cap, and then I wait for it to dry before I stick them together. Pros-Aide goes from white to clear when it dries, and then after it's sticking, then I add the latex along the edge to make it really nice and smooth so that I can paint over it. Well, this is obviously the wrong color first. And
This looks more like a little helmet.
it looks like a condom on your head.
I am
No.
Condom Man. Wait, so you're gonna match my skin tone to the bald cap or the bald cap to my skin tone?
Somewhere in between.
Can you say the following thing for me? Master Wayne.
Lost away.
Whoppers!
So I'm basically just doing a little base to make this look like skin before I add the tattoos. And I want it to match as close as I can to a skin before I match both. And now I'm mixing in a little bit of a lighter tone with a bit of a creamier base. And I'm mixing them together and just doing a small amount on his face to blend it in together. Okay, so I'm just gonna highlight again. So I'm gonna use that lighter color with a sponge and sort of add some highlight to it. Alright, so now I'm gonna add a bit of like a skin texture to this. Now we're using this baby. So now we're gonna do some light little marks around your face. A little bit of this dark red. You wanna barely see it.
I feel very bald. I feel like lecturing myself. Bueller.
Dermablend loose setting powder. Your brows now. Elmer's glue, purple. Getting them really covered in the glue. And then I brush them up. This is a trick that was developed by drag queens and it works the best.
Wow.
So then you need to change the color. So you add orange concealer. So we have NYX Color Correcting Primer. So the color that's left behind when you get rid of your eyebrows looks almost bluish, even though it's made by brown hair. So you color correct it with orange to cancel it out. So see how it cancels it out on the camera?
Oh wow.
Yeah. That's brown.
I look like a thumb. I look like the thumb from Spy Kids. That's what I look like. Yeah, I really look really old. Get off my lawn! Damn kids!
That's really weird, actually. You look like an old man. It looks like your brows are white instead of not there. So tattoo time. I'm using a really, really thin, long brush to make nice, like, outline lines with black Mehron Paradise body paint. Now to fill in, sort of go back over these lines to make them look like tattoos, I'm going to add a little bit of blue and a smaller brush that'll kind of help me blend in those lines, make them really smooth, and also fill in where the tattoos have like more detailing. Supernatural family, which I was introduced to about 5 years ago, has been incredible, amazing. I'm so blown away by the community that you guys have, the support, the love, the way you guys donate to charities, and the way you have each other's backs, and this is for you.
Jesus Christ, this will be fun. No, get in here.
Oh. So, how's it feel?
I feel really intimidating. I'm kind of scaring myself as much as I can without moving my neck that much.
There's still like 3 eyebrow hairs sticking out of there.
That's for the 3 wishes. It's like The Witcher, you get the 3
no,
wishes.
No, it's not
it's
The Witcher,
3.
Djinn. And there it is. Thanks for watching. Yeah, and let us know if there's more, if we should keep doing the Supernatural series.
Yeah, like let us know, guys.
Yeah, let us know.
Make sure you like and subscribe because you're never gonna have a friend like me. I'll see myself out. You'll be back. Soon you'll see. You remember you belong to me.